Okay, so we're back with the Pfaff 260 and this little apparatus that we're putting back in, and it goes underneath the bar here. It's best to have these taped out of the way, these little arms, and stick it underneath there and fish it underneath there, and it goes on in there and it sits. Now you can't see it in there. There's a little square bar. Let me see if I can point it out to you. That right there is what you put that little slot right there, put that into. And after you get it in, you can't see, I have this string right here. This is a little other thing that people don't think about. When you disconnect all these apparatus, there is another piece that could drive you crazy, and it's right. You have to get everything back in there this way, right? And flip these arms around. There's a little hook here. This little hook, and it sits this way. This is front of the machine. This holds a spring, and this spring sits way down in that machine. And if you let it go without holding on to it, you will have a day trying to get this thing connected back up after you put it all back together to get that string or that spring back on it. So I'm going to set this over here, and I'm going to show you how I disconnected it so I could have it back when I needed to. Right there. See, I use a heavy-duty string, and I latched it because it goes back onto that hook right there. And when I have it all reassembled, I can have that. I have this on a string. Then we'll be able to reattach it without losing my mind. And it goes this way. See how far it goes down in there? You're going to play trouble trying to get it if you don't have it lashed to something. So that's a little tip. And having a little piece of paper rolled up in there to keep everything in uniform, that cylinder that the metal piece goes through, and that spring in the right position with the round part going around the nub there. I don't know if it's focused. There you go. And it goes around, and I would use string also to pull this around counterclockwise until you get it right there on that shelf behind the screw there. Okay, very important. And this little nub was right there on that little square back there. Can you see it? There you go. It's got the red on it. The red's got to be facing up when it goes into that slot right there. Anyways, I hope this helps out. This is Jessica with our vintage Pfaff 260, and I hope this makes a great day for you guys in putting your machine, your vintage Pfaff back together. Thank you very much. Have a great day.